Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will show you another way to cut this glass bottle using this GI wire. Okay, what we are going to do is wrap around this GI wire into this glass bottle where you wanted to cut the glass. Okay. Then use a plier to make it tighter. Okay. Not so very tight, otherwise maybe the glass will break and not your desired cut. Okay, remember guys, be careful when you are doing DIY project like this. Well, anyway, this process is called thermal shock effect or thermal fracturing. The glass will break when it reaches when you applied heat to the surface of the glass. Then you pour cold water, because glass is brittle and not so elastic. The heat that we applied on the glass make a stress on that particular area, and when you pour cold water into it, the glass break or create fracture. Okay, I think that's enough. Now cut the loose end. Oops. Make sure it's straight. Oh my. Okay, I think it's okay, I think that's good. Now we're going to put this on top of a candle. Okay guys, now let's light this candle. There you go. Now we're going to put this on top of the candle. Okay, just like this guys. Continuously turn the bottle on top of the candle. Okay, maybe 1 minute will do the trick. Oh, I hear the sound of the metal. It is expanding. Well, anyway, this is called thermal shock effect. Because the glass is brittle and not elastic, this can cause it to break. The drastic temperature difference causes the glass in contact with the cold water to contract, and this creates stresses that crack the glass. Okay. Thermal fracturing in glass occurs when a sufficient temperature differential is created within glass. As a warm area expands on a cold area contracts, stresses forces develop potentially, leading it to fracture. Okay, I can hear the metal ring or this GI wire is expanding. Let's wait until it gets hotter. There you go. Oh, it's getting windy. I think 3 more rounds. Oh my goodness. Oh, there you go. I think it's cracked already. Oh, there you have it, guys. Now you got yourself a tumbler. Let's remove the GI wire. Okay, what we are going to do next is to sand the sharp edges. Okay, now we need to sand the sharp edges using this sandpaper. Wet the sandpaper. Okay. Remember guys, always be careful when doing DIY project like this. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. And thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. And click the notification bell for more DIY project like this and exciting videos to come. Thank you guys. Okay, so there you go guys. Now you got yourself a tumbler.